Bailiwick. A person's area of skill, knowledge, authority, or work. Example, I didn't want to provide any input because that's not my bailiwick. Flummox. To bewilder or confuse someone. Example, I was completely flummoxed by the whole thing. Finagle. Obtained by dishonest or devious means. Example, he finagled an invitation to the conference by claiming to be a reporter. Folderol. Trivial or nonsensical fuss. Example, we all have limits to how much folderol we could stand. Pusillanimous. Showing a lack of courage or determination, or timid. Example, the authorities are too pusillanimous to deal with this situation. Blithe. Showing a casual or cheerful indifference considered to be callous or improper. Example, it was disheartening to see the bikers' blithe disregard for the rules of the road. Tidbit. A small and particularly interesting item of gossip or information. Example, the gossip columnist dished out a juicy tidbit about the celebrity couple's rumored breakup. Evanesce. Pass out of sight, memory, or existence. Example, the beautiful sunset began to evanesce, fading slowly into the darkness of the night. Digress. Leave the main subject temporarily in speech or in writing. Example, the professor's tendency to digress from the main topic often made her lectures seem disjointed and hard to follow. Priggish. Self-righteously moralistic or superior. Example, her priggish insistence on following the rules to the letter made her unpopular with her colleagues. Nuanced. Characterized by subtle shades of meaning or expression. Example, the author's nuanced portrayal of the complex characters added depth and realism to the novel. Besotted. Strongly infatuated. Example, the young couple was completely besotted with each other, gazing lovingly into each other's eyes throughout the romantic dinner. Furphy is an informal word for rumor. Example, the politicians' claim that the new policy would create thousands of jobs was widely debunked as a furphy. Catawampus. Going wrongly or awkwardly or in the wrong direction. Example, the script is spoiled by its catawampus rhythm and lack of consistency and plausibility. Baboonery. Uncouth or brutish behavior. Example, the students' baboonery during the class hours earned them an hour in detention after school. Filibuster. To make a long speech to delay or prevent a new law from being made. Example, it was obvious that the opposition parties would filibuster in order to prevent the new law from being passed in the Parliament House.